Side business of TV stars. Aashka Goradia. Actress Aashka Goradia has launched her eyelash company brand Rene by Aashka. She also owns a beverage outlet, I Say Ice, in Oshiwara, which is quite popular for its uniqueness. This outlet has lots of branches all over the country. Sanjeeda Sheikh. Popular TV actress Sanjeeda Sheikh owns a salon called Sanjeeda's Parlour in Mumbai. Mohit Malik. TV star Mohit debuted in Bollywood by Uri. This popular actor owns two popular restaurants in Mumbai by the name of Homemade Cafe and 1 BHK. Amir Ali. He is one of the good-looking actor who is also a smart businessman. Amir Ali runs his restaurant called Basanti in Mumbai. The restaurant is based on Bollywood theme and visited by many celebrities of television industry. Nandish Sandhu. He always wanted to open his own cafe and restaurant with his life partner. So he opened Gulf Coast, a juice bar at Oshiwara. Nandish and his ex-wife Rashmi Desai are ready to launch their own production house in Mumbai. Arjun Bijlani. Famous Indian television face Arjun owns a BCL team called Mumbai Tigers and also owns a wine shop in Mumbai. Anuj Saxena. Being an actor, Anuj is a successful producer, a restaurateur and also the manager of his own pharmaceutical company. Shaleen Bhenod. Popular TV face, Shaleen Bhenod has own graphic machinery company which exports machine all over the India. Hiten Tejwani. Small screen popular actor Hiten is a successful businessman. He owns a restaurant named Barcode 053. He actually started this business because he was facing downfall in his acting career. Shama Sikandar. Businesswoman and fashion conscious, Shama has her own women's wear fashion label named Saisha. She is successfully running her business. Rakshanda Khan. Rakshanda Khan always wanted to be a successful businesswoman as she holds business management degree. She is one of the co-owner of a famous event management company called Celebrity Locker. Gautam Gulati. Heartthrob Gautam Gulati has not one but couple of profitable business ventures. He owns one of the famous nightclub named RSPV in New Delhi. Karan Kundra. Handsome-looking Karan Kundra owns an international call center in Jalandhar. He also is the owner of his family infrastructure company. Ronit Roy. Adalat famed actor Ronit owns a security agency company called Ace Security and Protection. His security company provides bodyguard and security services to the celebrities and famous personalities in Mumbai. Shabbir Ahluwali. Actor Shabbir Ahluwali is the co-owner of a production house called Flying Turtles. Pawan Shankar. TV actor Pawan runs a reputed company which organizes lifestyle exhibition across the country. Arjun Punj and Gurdeep Kohli. This cute couple owns a pub called 30ml. It is located at Infinity Mall 2 in Goregaon in Mumbai. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.